Facebook got a new feature and it's called keyword alerts, guys. And in today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can use this and also where you can find the content after you set up your keyword alerts. Now, you have to accept this first, but after you accept this, I'm gonna show you where you can go at and you can start entering keywords or phrases to where you can start having content pulled, the post can be pulled over that you can view. Now the main purpose of this, which Facebook is using, I'm thinking, is that they want you to monitor the content that's being posted up in your group. And I'm going to show you 3 ways of how you can use this new feature to get more leads and to also monitor the content that's being posted up inside of your group. Now let's get started first. Where can you enter these keywords so they can start pulling these posts, right? Now if you're inside of your group, you want to go over to more and you want to click here and you want to go to the edit group settings. Now once you get over there, inside of there, you want to scroll all the way down to the bottom, and once you have accepted this keywords alerts, it's going to be right down here. And what you can do is you can add keywords or phrases, and every time someone types that in the content, I'm not sure if it's going to be able to scan images or anything like that, but I know that the content that they put inside of their posts, it starts to pull those posts for me to monitor them. So for example, I just put in marketing, right, just for a test, and now I'm going to show you where these posts start pulling from and where they start to be going to. So now you want to go over to moderate groups. Now when you go over there, these are the posts that's going to start popping up based on the keyword or phrase that you enter inside of there. So as you see, I put in marketing, and all of these posts here are going to have marketing somewhere in it. So like this one here, it has marketing here, and this one's going to have marketing somewhere in it also, and this one has marketing in it also. So the great thing about this is that you can use this to monitor your group. So if anybody's posting any kind of inappropriate content or something like that, and let's say if you're at work or if you're busy, you're going to get a notification on your phone letting you know that somebody might have posted something inappropriate. Now that's one way of how you can use it, and it does give you a notification on your phone, so I'm just going to show you that real quick. Now this is a screen of the notifications that I'm starting to receive, and this is how the keyword alerts notifications look. So it says you have 4 keyword alerts in my group. And so you may be out and about and you're going to get this notification. When you click on it, it's going to lead you right back to here to where the posts are coming up. So you can keep an eye on your group even if you're away from your computer. So it's going to pop right up on your phone. Now the second way how you can use this is that, let's say if you're running a group or something like that and you got some members in there posting questions, I don't know, about particular services that you offer, well, you can just use those keywords or phrases that you know that they're going to use to pop up in the group, the question, right, and have those questions get pulled inside here, so you get a notification that this person is looking for this type of service. So once you get that service, now this can be a potential lead for you that you can follow up with immediately instead of maybe several hours, or sometimes you may get a lot of posts in the group and then you might not even catch that question that that person was trying to get an answer to, but now you can, because now you're gonna get a notification on your phone and it's saying that you got a keyword alert. So that's 2 ways how you can use it. Now the third way how you can use it is to monitor your own posts. So let's say, I don't know, let's say that you did a post, like I had one recently. I did a post about some ads, something like that, and what happened was, I think I forgot to pin post it or something, and it started scrolling. I started to get a lot of posts start to come in. I get a lot of posts coming through this group, so people was commenting and stuff on it, but I wasn't able to get to it because I didn't see it up there in my pin post, right? So now what I'm going to do is the keywords that I'm using inside of my post that having people to interact with, I'm going to make sure that I got a keyword alert set up so that when they do post anything like that, I'm going to be able to check back inside of here and look on that post and click on it and see who's been making comments or something like that, or who wants more information. I'm never going to lose no post again, or a potential lead by the post being buried down because a lot of people are posting, then I might forget about it or something. So that's 3 ways, guys, how you can use this new services. I hope you like it. Try it out. You do got to be the group admin to use this service. Let me know how you guys are using this keyword alert. I want to know what ideas that you're going to come up with in the comments, and make sure that you like this post, guys. If you liked it, make sure that you like it, and I hope this information was very helpful to you and give you some ideas of how to use the new feature keyword alerts in the Facebook groups. And thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you in the next one.